I left my husband at 48 after years of quiet endurance. I packed one single suitcase with deliberate calm hands. The front door closed behind me with final soft click. His stunned expression lingered frozen in warm hallway shadows. That heavy silence echoed louder than decades of our arguments. Instant relief surged through my body like warm golden light. Freedom arrived tasting like expensive rose perfume and liberty. Right now, thousands of women over 40 make this exact choice. They walk away not from chaos but toward their true selves. They reclaim power they once handed over without question. I still remember the exact night awakening finally struck me. Golden evening light poured across our pristine marble kitchen island. He scrolled mindlessly on his phone, ignoring my quiet presence. I held chilled white wine and stared into empty space. In that moment, I whispered the question that changed everything. Is this really the life I deserve after all these years? The honest answer shattered my illusion of comfortable stability. No longer would I accept emotional scraps dressed as love. Women over 40 awaken because life demands their full attention. Financial independence builds slowly through consistent, smart daily efforts. Children leave home creating vast space for personal rediscovery. They discover permission was never required to redesign existence. I achieved success while nurturing kids and supporting his ambitions. I managed household finances, vacation schedules, and endless emotional labor. I poured energy into someone who rarely returned the favor. Eventually, I refused to keep investing in emotional emptiness. Respect transformed overnight into my unbreakable personal standard. Perimenopause acted like a fierce light cutting through dense fog. Hormonal shifts dissolved my patience for tolerated disrespect quietly. They exposed every moment I dimmed my light for peace. Empty nest silence amplified resentment I had long suppressed. I recognized subtle dismissals I previously labeled as normal behavior. I carried invisible mental loads while he drifted through days. That piercing clarity refused to let me look away again. I started rebuilding power through small, intentional daily rituals. Red lipstick became my silent declaration on ordinary weekday mornings. Weekend escapes alone reminded me of pure, unfiltered joy. Therapy sessions taught me to say no without hesitation. Firm boundaries emerged as my most luxurious form of protection. I reconnected with my body through gentle sunrise yoga flows. Silk sheets against skin became nightly celebration of sensuality. Authentic self-love chooses inner peace over external approval always. It gently releases people who consistently undervalue your true essence. Dating after 48 feels vibrant, electric, and entirely mine. Men are drawn to the quiet, dominant energy I now embody. I never chase because real attraction flows toward confidence naturally. Mastering personal energy turns every interaction into effortless command. You feel that deep inner whisper growing louder inside lately. It asks softly what magnificent life waits beyond current limits. Subscribe today if these truths stir fire within your soul. Enable notifications to receive every fresh layer of empowerment. Comment below your single biggest obstacle holding you back now. Your raw honesty builds connection among us awakening sisters. I stand tall before my mirror at 49, radiating strength. My eyes burn with fierce, unapologetic, confident, beautiful fire. Every single morning I choose myself with joyful, deliberate intention. If awakening stirs strongly in you over 40 right now, trust that powerful signal because timing aligns perfectly for you. This moment signals your most radiant, unstoppable chapter beginning. You deserve a luxurious life reflecting your full inner magnitude. Rise confidently forward and claim every beautiful piece immediately. Queens never wait for invitation inside their own sovereign kingdom. They ascend gracefully and occupy the throne meant for them.